Hey guys, Am here bringing you another Affinity Designer tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be going over how to use the Color Picker tool in Affinity Designer. So we have this shape right here, this little diamond, and this array of Joy-Cons from the Nintendo Switch arranged in a rainbow. So it gives us a pretty wide variety of colors to pick from. So if we come down here to the toolbar and select the Color Picker tool, we can see that we have some options up here on the top toolbar. So we have what first is going to be applied selection. We have this little diamond selected, and we can come over here and say choose a color from the Joy-Con, and it works with all of them. And this is how you can quickly pick a color from an image and just use it in whatever art you're using. And there are some limitations to this. As you can see, right now, if we check the radius, it's 1 by 1. So we're literally choosing a single pixel of the screen and using that as what color is being applied. We can change this to do averages of different amounts of pixels. So say we do 257 by 257, and it will take a more wider average of some of these pixels, and you can change it smaller and smaller as you choose. And there are some limitations of this. I mean, you can only choose things on the image. If you go outside the image, your arrow cursor will come back for regular selections. So you can't pick anything on the screen. So say you had an image that you found online that you saw a really cool color and you don't know what you want to do. Maybe you saw it on Adobe color picker website and you wanted to use that color. You can't choose it. So what you use is you come over here to this color picker icon under the color panel, and you can click and drag anywhere on the screen to say choose a color. It won't directly apply, so there's no apply to selection option, and you can click on that and use that color. So as you can see, this is the same color as the shapes up here for rotating and transforming the shapes you have. You can also choose to deselect apply to selection and just have it as a saved color, and it will come up right here right next to this. But if you ever want to use something, and you can click and drag, maybe if you want this color wheel, you can use that and then apply, and it will apply to whatever layer you have selected. So we can also say, like, say I wanted to come down, I have Spotify on my toolbar. Maybe you wanted to choose like the Spotify green, and you can easily select that. So there are a bunch of uses for this. You can just basically choose anything on the screen for any color. You can use Adobe's color website. That will be linked down below for how aesthetically colors will work together. And there's a lot of things with color theory that this will work for. And basically just choosing the proper color for whatever graphic art you're doing. That's it for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo tutorials. Thanks for watching.